Okay, up next we've got the TOBENONE USB multi-port. So let's jump into it and show you what's in the box and what it looks like. We can already see from the front we get a USB-C and then a power cord. So let's see what we got. Okay, so right here we've got multi-ports here, you can see, and it is a USB-C on this side. So we'll slide off this container. Ooh, nice, I like that. The wrap sticks with the actual cord itself. One of my favorite things already. And we've got our power cord. It's got a nice little plastic coating on it. And there's our actual power cord and a rubber band here. So what we're looking at is a multi-USB-C charging cord. All of these right here. 10G, 10G, 10G. And there is a website and a nice little customer card on the back. And you can scan this to obviously get the manual, walk you through. There's a website, tech support, different things like that. Pretty no-brainer though, right? You actually just plug this into the wall, plug the DC in on the back of your actual multi-charger there. And plug this in, see if you can see it. So right here it is plugged in, and I don't know if you can see that right there. Close up on that. 100% right here, so it's going to give you your power adapters and how long it's going to take to charge whatever it is that you're charging. And you can run 3 USB ports straight from this. And this is the TOBENONE Direct USB-C charger. And I think that is all the information that you would need. Kind of a hub, if you will. And I think this is going to be nice because all phones will be USB-Cs rather soon. So there you go.